In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a newsletter in Constant Contact. We'll go through the steps from setting up your email to customizing it with your personal branding, and finally, getting it ready to send out to your audience. Whether you're reaching out to clients, members of your organization, or a group of dedicated readers, a well-crafted newsletter is a fantastic way to maintain communication and convey important information in a consistent and engaging manner. Let's begin with creating your email. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Constant Contact dashboard. Once you're there, find the menu and select Marketing, then click on Email. This will be your hub for all things related to your digital marketing efforts. Now it's time to start a new email. You'll want to look for the Create an Email button. Clicking on this will open up the template selection screen, where a variety of options will be available. Browse through the template library to find a design that best suits the style and purpose of your newsletter. Whether you're looking for something sleek and professional or fun and vibrant, there's likely a template that will meet your needs. Once you've chosen a template, you can begin customizing it using the Drag and Drop editor. This user-friendly tool allows you to add and arrange content to your heart's content. You'll be able to insert text, images, buttons, and more, shifting elements around until you have a layout that effectively gets your message across. Don't forget about the details that matter. Update the campaign name to keep things organized in-house, and refine the subject line so it succinctly provides context and piques the interest of your subscribers. You'll also want to customize the From, Name, and Pre-header, since these elements help establish credibility and set the stage for what your newsletter is all about. Now, don't overlook branding. It's crucial that your newsletter aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Utilize the Design tab to adjust the colors, fonts, and overall style, ensuring it mirrors the look and feel of your other branded materials. Before you hit send, it's essential to preview your email. Have a look at how it will display on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience for all recipients. To catch any mistakes or make final tweaks, send yourself or a trusted reviewer a test version of your newsletter. This step is key for spotting errors and making sure everything looks just right. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, it's decision time. You can either schedule your newsletter to be sent out at a specific future date and time, or choose to send it immediately to your selected contact lists. And there you have it, a fully crafted and ready-to-go newsletter using Constant Contact. I hope you found this guide helpful and look forward to seeing your next great newsletter.